Hello and welcome to Machining Shop with Mr. Picinich. To get started off, my name is Mr. Picinich. You can also call me Mr. P. I was educated at SUNY Oswego with a Bachelor's of Science and Technology Education. I've been teaching for the past 7 years, the most recent of which have been 3 years here in Colorado. I taught in Florida for a year before that. And prior to Florida, I had started my teaching career in Chicago, where I taught for 3 years, 2 in a elementary middle school setting, and then 1 year in a high school setting. You can contact me at the email listed below at any time with questions you may have regarding Machine Shop. As far as our class sequence is concerned, all of the classes will be starting off with shop safety. You may have had shop safety in other classes, previous years, maybe even in the machining lab before. That being said, safety is the #1 concern in this lab because of the type of machinery and equipment that we'll be interacting with. It can be dangerous if certain precautions aren't taken. The first class in the sequence would be Principles of Manufacturing, where you'll be introduced to all the different concepts surrounding manufacturing, from precision measuring to precision tooling. You'll be using various machines such as the engine lathe, the mill, grinders, drills, just to name a few. In Manufacturing Technology 1 and 2, we'll be diving deeper into the use of all those machines, tools, as well as precision measuring equipment, and begin to start manufacturing highly precise items and artifacts. The manufacturing capstone will involve you coming up with a new item that you want to create, drawing it, measuring it, speccing it, and then finally machining it to those specs that you had specified. The expectations and goals are very clear and expand across all of the classes, the first of which is that horseplay is not allowed at any time. There's too much dangerous equipment for any such behaviors to be tolerated. Piggybacking off of that, that means keeping your hands, your feet, as well as objects to yourself. Moving forward in the course, I want all of you to feel comfortable to ask questions. Any and all questions are valid and excellent addition to the classroom. Odds are, if you have a question about something, maybe I didn't explain it clearly and there's another student in the class that feels that same way. So please do not hesitate to ask any and all questions pertaining to this class when the need arises. I'm going to expect that you will meet the deadlines and that you will work hard as well as help others within the classroom. When you arrive to class, you need to have your safety glasses every day, regardless of whether we're starting off by meeting in the classroom or if we're meeting in the lab. I also expect you to have a pen and a pencil with you so that regardless of what we're working on, you have the correct utensil for that day. We will learn how to use various measuring tools, hand tools, power tools, as well as hand power tools throughout the school year. We will also be using the large machinery such as the vertical mill, the engine lathes, as well as the CNC mill, which has been put back together and is up and running. You will learn to measure items precisely down to 1/1000th of an inch. In summary, we need to be ready to ask questions, even ones you think might be stupid or silly. We need to be ready to learn when that bell rings. Every minute that we have here in the school is precious and must be utilized fully. We need to be flexible and ready to shift between projects, ideas, and even processes and procedures. We might find that by starting our class one way where we're losing time that could be spent on machining. I'm so excited to get you guys all into the lab, get to meet you, and see what work we're going to create this year. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me at the address listed below. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you.